most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We are
therapist.
the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Who's the silent guy? Who's the
That's
new
what I
guy?
was kind
I'm here to sweat. That's
All
what I'm
right,
here
all
to
right.
do.
This is Alex. He's the husband of the wife, who is filming Liz, our film woman. What are you, camera woman?
Yeah, whatever. They
And
know.
they have their own channel, by the way. It's called. You want to show it real quick?
Absolutely.
It's called the Family Product Channel. Very fun to watch. You got to check it out. We'll put a link below too.
Oh,
Stop
sorry.
moving it. Yeah.
She's already yelling at me.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, okay, get it
All
out
right,
of
what
here.
we're talking about today is HIIT posture routine. This is really cool. Maximal fat burning and perfect posture. So basically, you're going to get two things at once.
Right.
You're going to get your cardio workout, but you're also going to get your posture workout.
Right.
And so it's a great routine for people who have trouble with both.
Right. Or you want to combine it,
Yeah, and most people, to be honest, this is something that almost everybody should have. I mean, you should be working on your posture and you should be working on your
and
cardio.
that's what we're doing here.
All right, so you two are going to do it.
Right.
I'm just going to comment and...
Are we going to introduce our...
Oh, by the way, if we're new to your channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you want to join us on our social media channels because we're always giving away stuff. What are you giving away?
Wow.
What are you giving away?
Yeah, come on, Bob. Carry on.
BobandBrad.com.
My wife, she's free.
Giveaways. He's giving away his wife. You can also go to Facebook, Bob and Brad, and it's pinned to the top of the page. We're giving away the RENPHO Foot Massager. Look at that thing that we're giving away.
That is nice.
That's a beauty.
Is nice.
All right, let's go to work.
All right, Bob, I'm really excited about this one because, if you want to get some HIIT training, high intensity interval training, you need to get your heart rate up. But if you're a beginner, you're going to do different activities or different intensity than as if you're already, active and, maybe an athlete.
So you're going to show two versions, basically.
Two versions and a little bit. So what you'll want to do is find the activity that gets when you get done with the 30 seconds, we're going 30 on, 30 rest. When you get done with that 30 seconds, you feel tired because that's how you're going to get that calorie burn off there. And that's where you're going to get that fat to go away is to get to the max there. But you don't want to overdo it either.
Right.
If you're
And so you're doing 5 sets, basically?
Right. We're doing 5 sets, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And we're going to monitor our posture, not only while we're doing the exercises, but the 30 seconds rest. We're going to do exercises strictly for posture. And it'll be self-explanatory. When we
Very
get to
good.
that. All right. And I am going to throw in jump roping as an option for getting heart rate up. Nice thing about jump rope is he's always got to get
They got the strong like bull. I can be strong like bull too.
You look like a referee.
Jump roping, in order to jump rope, if you are a jump roper, you have to have shoulders back. So it forces you to have good posture while you're doing it. So it's a double header right there already.
Yeah, you don't even have to think about it. It forces you to be in good posture.
If you're not a jump roper, you can still, and I'll do this for 130 seconds, pretend you're jump roping.
Right.
And that will, if you're introductory or sedentary and you just want to start out, that's a good starting way.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so get ready. If you got your shoes on, you're going to join in with us. We'll give you a second. Okay.
And you're going to do
All
warm
right.
up first, right, Brad?
You're ready?
I'm ready.
We're just going to do a brief 30-second warm-up. Normally, you may go more than that. It's up to you. But we're just going to start out with some jumping jacks. Take a deep breath, Alex. Make sure you're breathing.
I'm nervous on the stage,
I
Brad.
know it.
I like jumping jacks, too, because they are actually working on your posture, too. You want to keep your shoulders back. And
Right.
Yep.
So keep it back. Don't have your hands out in front. Oh, nice work. Okay.
All right.
Now, arm crosses this way. And when you come back, think about going back to stretch out those pecs because that's a postural muscle that tightens up with a lot of people. And look at the chin. We're going to keep our chin tucked in. Think about that versus that awkward head forward flexion. That's terrible for
You're
your
working
posture.
on your posture throughout the entire event here.
All right. And then we need to get the legs moving. Make knee circles up and around. Start them out slow. Are you breathing, Alex?
I'm breathing.
There you go.
All right, looking good.
Good. And we'll work it around a little faster. Someone ready to time?
Oh, I didn't know you were at one at a time. I don't have a
How else are
timer.
we going to get 30 seconds?
All right, I'll call time it. I got it. Tell me when you want to start. How about in 5 seconds?
5 seconds. Are you ready?
5, 4,
He's going to do squats,
3,
by the way.
2, 1. Let her rip.
So I'm just going to pretend jump rope. for the beginners. Alex is doing squats.
Alex, could you, a couple to the side there, because look at what good posture he's got there. And that's what you want to keep the back really straight, and you want to keep the arms up, and that helps work on those upper back posture too. So,
How are we doing for time?
Well, we're got about 10 seconds left.
Okay.
It's a long time, 30
Yeah, 30
seconds when you're
seconds
working out.
is.
So, and you're breathing, as you can hear Alex and Brad. He's no longer talking, so you must be tired too. All right, and rest.
Okay, on the rest time, I want you to work on your posture. Again, we're going to do touchdowns. I call them touchdown. Squeezing the shoulder blades back behind you, then out to the side, squeezing the shoulder blades back, and then down so you form that upside down V.
So you're doing some light exercise
Good.
while you're still working on your posture.
Now,
And we got 5 seconds before we start again.
I'm going to go jump roping on this one.
So Brad's going to do the real thing this time and begin.
So if you haven't jump rope much, just take your time. You know, just relax, get the shoulders back, breathe. If you learn how to breathe while you're exercising, it makes a tremendous difference on your endurance.
So again, it's forcing Brad pretty much to be in good posture.
Right. I can't show you sideways because
Yeah.
I'll hit
Without hitting something like me, probably.
hitting you guys.
So
How are we doing
we
on
got
time?
5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Good.
All right, now
Liz
you
knows how much I love cardio.
Yeah.
She's laughing over there.
Same
So-
exercise for posture. Now with the jump rope, you can put it here and use a jump rope actually to help stretch. So I'm going to go here, do my touchdowns. Think about that chin in posture. And then I'm going to go back here and with the jump rope, use that for holding my hands together. Actually, I like it this way versus the way Alex is doing it, but either way works good. Alex is third repetition. He needs more.
Oh, you're supposed to start.
You
by the
think
way.
so?
He's going to do plyometrics now, so add the jump so you're going to reach for the ceiling.
All right,
This dad
luckily,
bod's going to melt away, folks.
go ahead, let her rip because you guys are already. I'm sorry. I
Start
lost
over,
her.
Bob.
Go ahead.
And I'm going to pick up the speed a little bit for the advanced jump ropers. I like to do the little joggy thing sometimes. Whoops.
Come on, Brad.
So, Alex, do you think you could still dunk?
No.
Can you touch the rim?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Got 5 seconds left.
I'm not dead, Bob.
Four,
My jump
3,
rope is falling apart.
2, and 1. Rest. All right. Was that third set?
Yep, that was third, wasn't it?
Oh, yep.
Oh, dust on there.
Yep. So,
Whew. Now we're starting to get our heart rate up.
yeah, I can see you guys are struggling a little more.
I've been doing 3 sets of 5 jump ropes.
My wife is yawning behind the camera, Bob.
There we go. And I'm going to work these.
I noticed that. You must be boring her.
I must be.
So take your phone and set it up so every 30 seconds it beeps.
All right. You ready to go?
Yep.
And go.
And we'll keep up the intensity a little bit. Boy, my mic, I need one of those mic holders like you got.
Yeah, we
right
used
here.
a flip belt. The flip belt actually works quite well for working out, and I mean you can see it when his shirt flips up.
You like that?
Yeah.
Maybe I should turn sideways.
There we go. Again, showing the good posture. And we got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Whew.
All
Legs
right.
are burning.
All right. You guys got
Having
one left
fun
to
now.
do. You got one left to do after this one. So
This is a challenge one. It's your last one.
this
Are
is
you
where
ready?
you gotta dig down deep.
You got to touch the ceiling every one.
Yeah.
Did
Oh,
you
it's
touch
not
the
just
ceiling?
A couple times.
Oh, you really?
Did you really?
Slow mo. No, I didn't.
That's like that's a 9-foot ceiling, I think.
Posture,
So-
posture, head tucked in.
Were you able to dunk two-handed in your day?
No, I could hang on the rim pretty easy, but couldn't get that ball over.
4, 3, 2, 1, and last one, folks.
Oh. Oh, he
There
did.
did. Yay!
Dust coming out of the ceiling.
Yeah.
I'm going to do some double skips if I can.
Wow. Don't get near that. Wow. Oh, geez, she's going to slap Alex. I know it. Here we go. And we got
Oh,
5, 4, 3,
my pants are
2,
coming down.
and 1.
Oh,
I'm
this
glad
mic.
the pants didn't come down.
This mic is.
Let's be
I need the
thankful.
belt.
Let's be thankful for small things. I didn't mean that, but
It's a family
Bob.
show.
it's a family show.
They've been
I
working
didn't mean
together
that,
too
but
long.
even small things is like nothing happened. Okay.
Posture, posture.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're with the program.
So
Yeah.
he's cooling down now. And while he's cooling down, he's still working on his posture. So,
And I can really feel it in my back.
Yeah, when you're tired, that's when you want to start doing this, bending forward. So,
Right.
So
That old tired posture,
right.
like Bob says.
Exactly.
We're going to retrain. Whew, feeling strong like bull.
There we go.
Tired like old cow.
I don't have any problems. So, all right. Remember, folks, we can fix just about anything
Except for
A broken heart.
But we're working on it. Thanks for watching.